Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and today we are going to show our support to the Ukraine by drawing a combination of their national symbols that are sacred attributes for the Ukrainian people, describing along the way the significance of each one of these. The first one is the peace sign. It's not a national symbol, but it's definitely something that the country needs right now. Start with the circle on the outside of the peace sign. It's always a good idea to lightly sketch in where you want your lines to be first, and then you can thicken up those lines afterwards, erasing any unnecessary lines in between. Next thing we need is the flag. So we're going to start off with a curved line. And now the bottom of the flag and the top of the flag are going to look the same. Draw straight lines on each end to connect them. And a curved line in the opposite direction, right here on the left. Curve that line, and your curved line needs to come just inside the flag. Do the same thing on the other side. Both the top line and the bottom line need to match. Make sure it comes inside the flag because you are going to connect those corners. See how it looks like a triangle? Color that in, gives it the look as though it's behind. And last, draw the line across the middle that divides the two colors. Match the curvature that is above or below it. And notice the two lines on the side are just a little bit lower because it's further behind. National symbols are sacred attributes for Ukrainian people, and the sunflower is the national flower. It is a symbol of resistance and solidarity. So draw that sunflower with a large circle in the middle, a smaller circle inside, and then the petals that come off of it are smaller. Now you can pause this video and work at your own pace to catch up on two sunflowers at the top. I added a couple leaves at the top to add some greenery, two curved lines that come to a point, and do a little line down the middle to show the middle stem of the leaf. If you see symbols of grain, it's because the Ukraine is a major world producer and exporter of barley, corn, and sunflower. You can see here how I'm drawing my grain. Think of it as leaves that are overlapping each other. They're little points coming off to the side, and a few little lines at the top. And now it's time for poppies, which we know is remembrance and death, but also peace to death. It's consolation and also beauty and youth. Draw a circle that's not perfect and a small circle inside for the black center. Would have two stems coming towards the middle, and you can draw your leaves again. Flowers, fruits, and leaves describe the prosperity of the family. This is why they love to put symbols on clothes, towels, tablecloths, and more. Color in that flag and make it nice and strong. Feel free to share this drawing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for doing a Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. We support the Ukraine, we pray for the people in need, and thank you so much for joining me today.